Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So in today's video I'm gonna share with you the review of the product that I have talked so many times in my channel but never done the review of this particular product. Yes, I'm talking about Plum Green Tea Face Mist. This is the product that I have talked so many times in my channel but never done the review. So I thought to share with you the review before finishing the bottle. But before starting the video, I want to say something that I sometimes shoot Bengali videos and sometimes English videos just because that I only can speak in these two language fluently, but I cannot speak Hindi very fluently. I can speak Hindi and understand also, but I can't speak fluently. I have some problem while speaking, like the gender problem. That's the reason I always shoot either in English or in Bengali. uh, just let me know in the comment section in which language you prefer the most, so that I can only shoot only that long language. But please don't ask me to do in Hindi, because some viewers request me to do that, but I can't, because I have little problem in speaking in that language. So yeah, so make sure that you should comment in the comment section that you prefer Bengali or English. Now let's get started. So yeah, this is the product that I'm gonna talk about in this video. The price of this product is 360 rupees, and it's a 100 ml product. That means it's a full size product. But if you order this product in online stores like Flipkart, Amazon, you always get some discount, just as I ordered this product on Flipkart, and I have purchased this product on 240 rupees. So I will definitely link down wherever I get the discount. Now if I talk about the packaging, it comes in a transparent plastic bottle type packaging, and with a spray packaging like this, because all face mist and makeup setting sprays are comes in a spray like packaging. But this is a 3-in-1 product. You can use it as a toner, you can use it as face mist, and as this makeup setting spray as well. So it contains green tea, which is very good element for those who have sensitive and oily skin. Now Plum actually Indian brand, and they actually produce completely vegan product, which means no cruelty, no paraben. You can search in the Google about paraben or paraffin, how much they are harmful for our skin and hair. So yeah, it's completely vegan product, not tested on animals. The price is quite affordable. At this range you will get like full size product. Now if I talk about the uses of it, you only have to shake 2 to 3 times before applying this face mist. The main thing is that you don't have to buy separately a toner, a face mist, and a setting spray. It's a 3-in-1 product, and if you buy this product, it does the job actually. So if you wash your face in the morning, you need some toner to fresh, just put little bit like this, and as you can see, just 2 to 3 pumps in your face, and it actually absorbs so quickly on your face, and you don't need to wipe it off like toners. It just give you instant brightness and freshness, and the fragrance of this product is really very awesome. It's like quite very mild fragrance, I say. Now if I talk about the uses, so as I already said that you can use it as a toner, as a face mist, and as a makeup setting spray. Now whenever I am in a hurry, I don't get enough time to use anything, I just spray this face mist on my face and I'm good to go. Make sure you apply some sunscreen before stepping out of the house. It's very much important for your face. And if you carry this on your purse, now since it's hot and humid weather, this can be as a savior in your daily life. So you don't need to wash your face every now and then. You don't need to wipe off your makeup or patch up touch up. You just need to spray it to 2 to 3 times on your face and you are good to go. So yeah, all this was the review of this product. I know that so many people already know about this product, the review of it or the uses of it, but I thought to share with you the review because I am very much in love with this product. I definitely gonna purchase it again and again because it's completely cruelty free, and not only that, it doesn't have any side effects. If you have active pimple or any kind of rashes on your face, if you spray this, it actually helps to taming down those things. So yeah, you should try this product, especially if you have oily skin, if you are a teenager, if you have sensitive skin, if you have acne prone skin, you definitely need to try this product. So yeah, all this was the review of this product. If you have any queries related to this face mist, do comment in the comment section, and also don't forget to follow me in the Instagram. I will definitely give the link in the description box. Go and follow me in the Instagram because I share some product on that social media. So yeah, if you haven't subscribed, do subscribe.